Hello, friend. So today I have a short slot here, a short available time, in which I would like to just do something interactive instead of the normal skill boost material I'm using these days. So I'm just putting some music in my ears. Let's see, what can I put which will not disturb me. Some smooth brown noise. Nice. Let's see. Super deep, smoothed brown noise. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can put it. I will just leave it just for me. It will not add value for you. So let's see. Today I would like to use the power of the internet, so-called ChatGPT, and I will ask it to, first of all, this is a clean account I have. I would like to create a context in which I would like to create basically an assistant which will help me in learning and exercising throughout all the path towards the professional architect certification. Let me see. So how can we do something personalized here? Is there any possibility? Great for everyday task. Now I will just go, okay, so hello. This is a clean account which I will start many conversations. I would like to keep the conversations all separated. Please, every time I ask you, I start conversation. I would like you to ask me to which context I am referring. Is this possible? Let's test it. So it's not working. I mean, it's not asking me to which context I would like to add this question. Okay, I imagine this will need some extra work where I basically use the API to kind of keep track of the series of questions. Delete. Okay. So this is also to clear any from this chat settings. Oh wow. Custom instructions. Oh nice. Forget. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Showcode when using data analyst. What the fuck is this? Okay. Personalize your builder profile to connect with users of your GPTs. Okay. Nice. This could be interesting. Yeah, connect to my drive. So maybe once I will use something of this. Okay, let's see what do I have in my drive. How do I go to Google Drive? Okay, so I have these files here, which I saved because I thought they may be interesting for training purposes. I also have some other files locally. I think that I will just download them and delete them from here. I just don't want to occupy this space. Oh man, this will take forever. I hate downloading stuff from Google Drive. It's faster if I just do like this and like that. And eventually they will be downloaded. Yeah. Okay, so I have them here. Nice. Now I can delete them. The fuck, why can I not delete this? This needs just to, I just want to get rid of this. My drive, okay, so in home, this is just a recent file basically. Okay, I have nothing, everything clean. Let's go. Remember, I am starting to study and practice for the GCP Professional Architect certification. This is one of my goals to achieve this certification. Okay. The first thing I will need you to do is to test my knowledge with some questions. I have, let's say, 1 hour. Now, we want to use in the best way possible this hour to assess my level reference. Necessary. No plus the exam. So I hope you can see everything. Okay. Oh, and the title of this stream is still okay. This is episode 2, chatting with ChatGPT in order to assess my readiness, my preparation. Why it's private? Visibility. Public, man. Let's go. Okay, so let's get back to it. 1 hour. Let's see. Great, let's dive into a quick assessment. I provide a mix of questions that cover critical topics like Google Cloud Core Services, networking, IAM, storage options, and architectural best practices. I'll keep the explanations brief so we can cover as many as possible in the hour. Let's start. Question 1. Okay. You are designing a web application that will have variable and unpredictable traffic. Which Google Cloud Compute service should you consider to automatically scale up or down based on demand? Compute engine with managed instance group, App Engine standard environment, Cloud Functions, bare metal solution. What the fuck does this mean, bare metal solution? What the fuck, man? I want English. No. Google.com. Man, I'm tired of this. And English will be English. Okay, so bare metal solution. What the fuck is bare metal solution? Decide if you're running a SAP HANA in your bare metal solution. That overview. Bare metal solution provides a secure environment in which you can run your specialized workload on high-performance bare metal server. Use bare metal solution to run third-party virtualization software applications that require direct low access to the server. Okay, so bare metal, I think this means they actually provide you a data center on which you have full control until the lowest level. Okay, so please in English. Refers to a computer system that executes instructions directly on logic hardware without entering operating system. Okay, so they basically give you access directly to the computer. Okay. I mean, I was curious, so this is not for sure. You are designing a web application that will have a variable and predictable traffic. So a computer engine with managed instance group, not sure if it's the best. I'm more prone to App Engine or Cloud Functions. App Engine is a full managed solution to deploy web applications. Cloud Functions differ respect to App Engine in the sense that there are less managed aspects. App Engine standard environment, I would say that. Yeah, so question 1, I will put B. Question 2, networking. You have two virtual private cloud networks that need to communicate privately, but they are in different regions. Which networking option in Google Cloud is the best suited for this scenario? So we're saying two VPC need to communicate privately, but they are in different regions. Which networking option in Google Cloud is the best suited for this scenario? VPC network peering, Cloud VPN, Shard VPC, Cloud Interconnect. So let's see, I will just study in this moment. So let's go on Google in English. Cloud Interconnect, GCP, what the fuck is this? Cloud Interconnect provides low latency, high availability connections that enable you to reliably transfer data between your Google Cloud private cloud networks and your other networks. Cloud Interconnect connections provide internal IP address communication, which means internal IP addresses are directly accessible from both networks. Cloud Interconnect offers the following options for extending your network to include Google Cloud, Dedicated Interconnect, Partner Interconnect, Cross-Cloud Interconnect. Provides a direct physical connection between your on-premise network and the Google Cloud network. Provides connectivity between your on-premises and VPC network. Provides a direct physical connection between your network and other cloud and Google. Okay, so this looks like something to connect your Google Cloud VPC to something that is out from GCP, right? And your other networks. So interconnect will not be my answer. Start VPC. This could be VPC network peering and Cloud VPN. Let me see what is Cloud VPN. Google Cloud VPN. This page describes concepts related to Cloud VPN. For definitions of terms used in the Cloud VPN documentation, see key terms. Cloud VPN securely extends your peer network to your virtual private cloud network through an IPsec VPN connection. The VPN connection encrypts traffic traveling between the networks with one VPN gateway handling encryption and the other handling decryption. This process protects your data during transmission. You can also connect two VPC networks together by connecting two Cloud VPN instances. You cannot use Cloud VPN to route traffic to the public internet. It's designed for secure communication between private networks. Choose, try it yourself. Best practices. Use a particular for networking resources. Choose dynamic. Choose internal configuration, reliability configure. Gateway. Use strong pre-shared keys. These pages okay, Cloud VPN extends your peer network. What the fuck is a peer network? Let's go on Google and search what is a peer network in GCP word. Google Cloud VPC connects two virtual private cloud networks so that the resources in each network can communicate with each other. Oh shit, I discovered VPC network peering. Okay, and Cloud VPC extends your peer network to your network through an IPsec VPN connection, VPN traffic. So it looks like that Cloud VPN will allow a VPC network peering. So it's like another layer of security, maybe, not sure. Okay, and the other option was shard VPC. Shard VPC in GCP. Okay, so overview. This page, when you use shard VPC, you designate a project as a host project and attach one or more other services project to it. The VPC networks in the host project are called shard VPC networks. Eligible resources from service projects can use subnets in the shard VPC network. Shard VPC lets your organization administration delegate administrative responsibilities such as creating and managing instances to service project admins while maintaining centralized control over network resources like subnet routes and firewalls. This model allows organizations to do the following: implement a security best practice to display for network play and enforce consistent access control policies. Okay. So yeah, let's give Q2 it will be VPC network peering. Okay, question 3, storage solutions. A financial company wants to store sensitive customer data in Google Cloud. Well, they require a storage solution that offers high durability and supports encryption at rest. Encryption at rest. What the fuck does this mean? Okay, encryption at rest is encryption that is used to help protect data that is stored on a disk. Okay, makes sense. Which storage option could be best met meet their needs. Okay, so high durability, encrypted, sensitive. Okay, cloud storage with regional or dual regional class, multi-regional. This one is multi-regional. This will allow to recover from disasters, which is coherent with the high durability. And the encryption at rest. Well, Cloud SQL is a managed instance of an SQL server. Cloud storage, it looks like they need just to store data. They just ask for high durability. And sincerely, cloud storage is an object-based memory. The sensitive customer data. I will go for B. I will just investigate a bit. GCP SQL. So how was it called? Cloud SQL. So let's see. Cloud SQL. Encryption. Yeah, instead, when we're talking about cloud storage, looks like more coherent. High durable. Multi-region. So GCP encryption at rest. Okay, so encryption at rest. All data is stored by Google is encrypted and zero layer. Okay. So Google encrypts all customer content stored at rest without any action from you using one of encryption mechanism. Okay, nice. So in any case, we just need looks like they may be all correct, but for high durability, I will choose this one. because this one says regional and it's not correct. I will not include in the options regional. So Q3, it's B because of the high durability requirement. As it includes the regional class. Okay, question 4, identity and access management. A team of developers needs access to a Google Cloud project, but only requires read-only permissions to project resources. Which role would be most appropriate to assign them? I would say viewer, even if this role is something I don't know. GCP Cloud Developer role, does it exist? It looks like something not coming up immediately, so I will just say viewer, which is a basic role if I don't remember wrongly. Okay, so basic roles are these primitive roles available in Google, which will not be the best to use if looking at best practices, but yeah, these are the available roles, unless this is a role that really exists, but I don't know. I don't remember. I don't recall this cloud developer role in IAM. Question 5, data processing. Okay, so you need to process a large data set in Google Cloud. Process a large data set in Google Cloud. And the workload is compute intensive. Fuck. But does not need real-time results. Okay, so I have this giant amount of data. Which service will be most cost-effective for this task? Okay, so cloud functions. No. Compute engine. I mean, I can process data with compute engine, but it's not thought for that. Compute intensive. I will look for BigQuery, like launching query. But at the same time, there's data flow. I will say data flow because BigQuery is a managed data data analysis tool, data processing tool. Not sure if processing will be included. There's a lot of formalism, but yeah, normally BigQuery costs a lot. Instead, Cloud Data Flow allows you to build a pipeline, a custom one, and execute it on some clusters which one may have. Yeah, but BigQuery is personalized, is customizable. It can also be executed on some clusters. And it says it's compute intensive. Great question. I would say that this is kind of depends. There will be tests I will perform. Like I will test a bit on data flow and then on BigQuery. And I will say compute intensive. Yeah, I don't know, like BigQuery has many ways of executing its workloads. I will say BigQuery. Yeah, let's go. Even if it's for queries, you know, queries can be for processing the data. It's computer intensive, so I will say let's go Cloud Data Flow. It's my favorite, so I will go with Data Flow. Let me know your answers and provide feedback and explanations. Let's go, let's see. Great job going through the questions. So let's look at the answer and explanation to see where you stand. Okay, so question 1, I said B. I think App Engine is my solution. So the options for question 1 were Compute Engine and MIG Managed Instance Group. So ChatGPT is saying that Compute Engine is the correct answer. And the question was, you are designing a web application that will have a variable and predictable traffic, which Google Cloud Compute Service should consider. Okay, and it says it's better to go with, oh, I cannot see it, Compute Engine. While App Engine standard environment does offer auto-scaling, it is designed primarily for web applications with specific frameworks and runtimes. For applications needing more control over the infrastructure and broader compatibility with different types of workloads, Compute Engine with Managed Instance Group is typically preferred. This setup allows for automatic and scalable load with custom configuration for instance type. Yeah, but where are you getting from this needing for more control over the infrastructure and broader compatibility with different types of workloads? I mean, it's not specified here, man. Okay. I see it. I will not engage in this with ChatGPT. Networking. Correct answer. Yeah, and I discovered it looking at the documentation. So network peering allows two VPC networks to communicate privately across different regions and provide high bandwidth, low latency without requiring additional VPNs or interconnects. Cloud VPN and Cloud Interconnect could enable private communication, but they are not necessary in both VPC if both VPCs are within Google Cloud. Storage solutions. Okay. Correct answer. Regional and dual. Oh, what the fuck? Explanation. Cloud storage with both regional and dual plus offer high durability. Level nice. Yeah, man, but where are you getting this high durability? I mean, is there any standard? Wow. Okay. So if you already achieve 11 nines, you're okay. And cloud storage class. Yeah, but where do I take that information? Interesting. Identity and access management. So viewer was the right answer, and the viewer role provides read-only access to all project resources, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Data processing, compute engine with preemptible VMs. What the fuck? Preemptible VMs on compute engine are designed for cost-effective batch processing workloads that do not need to run continuously. They are significantly cheaper than regular instances, making them ideal for non-time sensitive compute-intensive tasks. Okay, cloud data flow is more commonly used for data processing tasks requiring advanced data engineering capabilities, such as stream and batch data processing, but is typically more costly. I see. Incorrect. Score 2 out of 5. It seems like you have a good understanding of networking and AM basics, which are essential areas. However, there are some gaps in compute and storage solution details. Here's what I suggest for targeted studying. Compute options. Review the differences between compute engine, app engine, cloud function, and ZK. Focus on scenarios where each will be optimal. Storage classes. Dive deeper into different classes with cloud storage and understand durability, availability, and use cases of each. Batch processing and preemptible VMs. Check out cost-saving options like preemptible VMs on compute engine for batch workloads. Would you like to go through more questions in these areas of focus or focus on new topics? We'll still have some time. Well, I will just call it a session. And yeah, I will just take note of this feedback and try to study more. From also the other sessions, I see that I have to study a lot of theory, and it's okay. I mean, maybe we'll start reading, making some session of reading, taking notes, representing informations in some type of infographics that maybe then I can just save somewhere and have it as material, maybe share it. So let's see. I will just close the streaming and see you next time.